Hello viewers, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to adjust line spacing in MS Word. To adjust line spacing, first you have to select the text and then you can see here is the button line and paragraph spacing. Click on it and here is different option of line spacing. So you can adjust it to 1.15, you can adjust it to 2 points and you can adjust it to 3 points, or you can go here in this option line spacing option and here you can see line spacing multiple. You can set back it to single and when will you click on OK, then it is back. And there are also some short keys of line spacing, but first again you have to select the text and then press Ctrl 2. The line spacing will be shifted to 2, and if you press Ctrl 5 it will be 1.5, Ctrl 1 it will be single line spacing. So this is how you can adjust line spacing in MS Word. Hope you have liked the video. Please share it and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.